My name is Gray Alton, and I am the Vice President of Project Development for Terrapin Geothermics, and I am speaking to you from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I want to thank Plug and Play for this opportunity to showcase Terrapin Geothermics and our solutions to help power the transition towards cleaner, smarter cities. We want to pose this question to you today. How will cities fill their reliable and clean heat and power needs in the future? Our problems are that smart cities are not going to only need clean, but also baseload heat and power, and they are still trying to figure out how to do it. We also have an extremely large resource that is currently wasted, and these valuable waste heat resources have been underdeveloped and need to be unlocked. Terrapin has been working diligently since 2016 to provide smart solutions for the questions I just posed. Terrapin's three waste heat verticals break down to geothermal, a renewable, clean, baseload source of power and direct heat use; waste heat to power, a baseload, emission-free conversion of waste heat to power; and direct heat use, which is a baseload heat source and the most economical use of waste heat. And all Terrapin verticals generate carbon offsets, which do have market value. And I would love to go into more detail on each vertical if I had more time, so please reach out if there is interest to learn more. But the last point I want to make here is, Terrapin can offer a zero CapEx option where we pay you for access to develop the waste heat inside your facilities. And please do reach out if you have interest. Terrapin's goal is to not only unlock this previously wasted resource, we also want to be the linchpin that creates value from it for all players. We do this by partnering with industrial facility owners around the globe to pay them for access to their waste heat resources. Once the most economic waste heat resources have been identified, Terrapin then brings the right technology to the table to best utilize the waste heat resources. Once Terrapin has the waste heat resource owner and technology partner aligned, we bring the third-party capital and EPC construction partner to the table to round out the development team that will play a part in achieving the circular economy and carbon reduction goals set by our smart cities. So now I want to talk about Terrapin's track record. Our Tier 1 project in development is a geothermal project called Number 1 Geothermal, which is being constructed in northern Alberta. Terrapin secured $25.4 million from the federal Canadian government in non-dilutive federal funding, and we are currently raising into the project for our test well drilling phase. So if you wish to know more, again, please reach out. We cannot announce our Tier 1 projects near sign-off just yet, but we are excited to be working with some amazing forward-thinking clients, and we hope to have something to announce here soon. Tier 2 represents our next immediate pipeline of projects. Tier 2 is comprised of geothermal and industrial direct heat use developments, along with a second phase of waste heat to power developments. Feasible market growth and future market potential represent our 2 to 5 to 10-year plans as a business, and we believe a big future runway exists here for Terrapin. I also want to highlight the flexible waste heat technologies we work with. Heat exchangers and piping are two things we know super well, and Terrapin develops our waste heat to power projects using a heat source agnostic, organic Rankine cycle technology, which can be deployed across a variety of industries, across a variety of waste heat resources. And we have secured an exclusive agreement with a world-class ORC designer and manufacturer named Exergy, who have almost 1,000 megawatts of ORC power facilities in operation around the globe over the last 10 years. We've been backed by the support of many prominent industry associations and programs that you can see here. We are also backed by our specialized and industry-tested team that we have compiled to help solve our clients' waste heat to power, direct heat use, or geothermal development needs. And of course, you can't end a pitch without an ask. Terrapin is actively in search of clients who want to sell their waste heat to us, or clients who need Terrapin to come audit and assess your waste heat potential. And of course, we're always on the lookout for great industry mentors, advisors, and friends. Thank you so much for allowing me to present Terrapin, and please reach out if there's interest. Cheers.